Alright everyone, I finally did something I always wanted to do. Yes, I've taken off the windshield for the first time, but that's not actually it. It's this. I finally got a Sissy bar here. The chrome is nice. I think it looks really great. Not everyone's into this style, but ever since I've seen it, I always thought that would be cool to have. The handlebars don't quite match it, and I may change them. Maybe not the same pointy ones like we've all seen, but I think it looks nice. Initially, I had it on without the luggage rack from Harley Davidson. I thought this looks kind of normal compared to this looks a little crazy. But now that I look at it, I think it looks pretty good. I'm happy with it. It was very simple to install. This comes together. All this, I didn't have to put it together. The only things that you have to put together are the left and right side, and you have 2 screws on each side. Once you bolt those on there, it just pops into your regular 4-point docking stations that you can get from Harley Davidson or other companies, and it just locks right down, and it's not going anywhere. One thing that I found interesting is the hooks are in here, opposed to the tour packs are out here. When I take them off, my hands are used to reaching this way to pull it off, but it makes sense that they're on the inside because then you don't see it out here. It gives it a nice clean look. It has a nice little cushion on here. I don't ride too up right now, but it matches with the seat. Will I leave it on? Yes. Will it always be on? No. I have a weekend trip coming up to Reno, and I'll be taking it off so I can use my luggage rack. But I could put my Saddleman bag, but I noticed with this here, we'll have to check it out. All right, I put my Saddleman bag on here. It actually will fit with this Sissy bar. The nice thing about the Saddleman bag is it has a strap right here that is Velcro to the front. So you can just take off that Velcro, which allows it to slip right in, and then you can connect it at the bottom. Of course, it will still need to be strapped up to your luggage rack, but it will fit. The only thing is you can see this here, if you're going to open it up, you won't be able to open this up, which could be a good thing, right? If you're out traveling alone, it's just anything that make it just a little harder for anyone that's trying to get in your bag while you're just trying to take a restroom break. But you can also put it on your back seat if you're riding solo. Let's see what that looks like. It fits. First thing you'll notice is it's a little more loose here. But the nice thing about Saddleman is I think they thought about everything here. Here, they have these little loops right here, and they send them with you, these little sticks that you'll slide them in, and they connect down at the bottom. You can see the loop right there. So you can go in an angle if you wanted to, or just bring them in one shorter, and that'll tighten that up. Once that's tightened up, you should be good. I know I've taken this Saddleman bag on a Sissy bar from the West Coast to the East Coast and back with 0 issues. The only change is the Sissy bar. So at the end of the day, you can use a large Saddleman bag. It will fit. I think I like it better in the back. Once I have it on there, even though it won't open all the way here, I'm not digging into my bag. I'm just going to my destination and then taking it off. I would be okay with a Saddleman bag because I'll be going with a bunch of CVMA folks, so I wouldn't have to worry about leaving my stuff outside if I have to run in the bathroom or something. I know it's not as safe if something were to go wrong, but it looks good. I'm happy with it. Let's see what it looks like while I'm riding. So what do you guys think? I know this is very suggestive. Some people like them, some people won't. Some people don't like this here. I think it looks cool. I have a link for it down below. Go ahead and click on it, and this vendor did give you guys a discount if you wanted to get it. I would definitely give it a shot, especially if you have a Road King. Just look at how much it changes. I put the windshield back on, it looks different. Put that on, it looks different. Put the tour pack on, it looks different. There's just so much you can do. It's like a different bike.